They gon' love me for my ambition. Beautiful music, painting pictures, this be my vision.
How's everybody doing out there? Sound Sneakers, another episode, Complex Ambition. Thank you guys for joining me again on another unboxing and reviewing of another pair of shoes. This time we have the Yeezy Desert Rat, formerly known as the Desert Rats. This is the Yeezy 500 Boost. I believe they took the Boost off the title, so now, yeah, as I look at the box doesn't even say Boost no more. It's just Yeezy 500. So these probably don't have Boost technology, but you guys are familiar with these because these are the newest Yeezys that he's released, the newest model. He's done these so far in yellow, blush, and purple one is rumored to come out in the upcoming months. But you guys, there you have it. It's a dad shoe style, familiar to like the Yeezy 700 that he released, the Wave Runner. Go check my video out to that one. Yeah, man, you guys already know. These were more rare in the past. My size 8 that I ordered I believe a couple months ago. They used to go for around 800 to, I think maybe 900 one time too. But now they're reselling right now for $300 to $400, you know what I'm saying? Even lower. Retail's only $200. Pretty shocking. There's been a decline in the resale market for a lot of shoes. This has happened with that one, the Shadows. Comment down below if you guys are happy with that. It means the resellers get less profit, like myself will get less profit on the selling items like this than usual. But so you have to buy in bulk, higher volume. But also people who are buying them, they get it at a cheaper value. So it's kind of, you know what I'm saying, it's kind of pretty interesting dichotomy right there. Multiple pairs available. Complex Ambition supplies Instagram. Grail.com/soundsales is the Grail for all the items. Also Grail.com/Complex Ambition. Woo! 500 right here. Blush colorway. The box, normal Yeezy box. One side. That's a size 6 that I have available. You know what I'm saying? No more Boost. Whew. There you have it, man. And it really does look like a rat. Pretty low shoe, especially if you do this. You kind of see how low it can go. Pretty low detailed shoe. Ooh, look at the bottom of that one. It almost looks like a football shoe, like a cleat, or maybe like the Crazy 8s. You guys are familiar with the Crazy 8s, Adidas Crazy 8s, the Kobe's. Man, look at the back of these. You know what I'm saying? A lot of details to these that I didn't expect. Ooh, look at that. Right there. Right there it says Adidas. So that's the Adidas technology that they have. Some say it's better than the Boost technology. Some say it's worse. You guys let me know yourself. Trying these out running, or you guys gonna run with these? You know what I'm saying? I feel like this is an everyday shoe. I feel like I can wear this shoe every day. Adidas logo right here, another Adidas hit. You know what I'm saying? Comment down below. You guys feeling these? Are you not feeling these? Would you rock stock? Would you sell? Would you trade? Maybe for the yellows when they come out. I have a pair coming size 8. You know what I'm saying? It's pretty crazy when you look at them from this angle. They do look like kind of like almost like, I don't know how to explain, like a beetle wrapped or like a roach. Like there's something like just guttery, about them. It's like the mesh vibe, similar to the mesh that was on the Yeezy Wave Runners. You know what I'm saying? But here you have way more usage of the material, way more. Different types of leather, soft leather, brush leather, mesh. Oh, and I'm not done. Like I said, multiple pairs. Here's another size 9. Size 9.5. As you can see, very interesting shoe. I'm gonna put some specs up as well. You guys can check them out for more details of the high-def photos. But let me know how you guys feel. Are you guys enjoying these, or do you guys want to see different Yeezy iterations? Me personally, I like them. I feel like something's missing though when it comes to the Yeezy line and everything with Kanye, you know what I'm saying? Probably due to lack of maybe him. I know he was going through his things. He's recently just come back into the public. Maybe he wasn't as hands-on as he's been previously, you know what I'm saying? With the shoe designs, because I know music is coming soon, you know what I'm saying? I'm his biggest fan in the world, but Jesus Christ, we do need more art, Kanye. We want that art, so, you know what I'm saying? Let's put that energy out there. We want more of his pieces to be out in the forum, be out in the world, whether it's music and shoes, clothing, everything. But man, these right here, I feel like maybe they should do a different colorway, maybe something that stands out. I know they're doing the purple. I'm not a fan of that purple. It's kind of random to me. And if these are reselling for so low, probably the lowest Yeezy thus far. If you can get them for below $300, is definitely the lowest Yeezy thus far. You know what I'm saying? The Calabasas you can count them as Yeezys, or technically not. You can get those at retail. But these are the cheapest Yeezys thus far. You know what I'm saying? If it's not, then don't quote me on that. Comment down below. Argue with me. But, man, do these in all red. Something to prick the funk back up. Thank you guys for watching another reaction and unboxing by me. If you guys are really watching this, I really appreciate it. But also remember, at the end of the day, these are just materialistic things. Don't go too crazy when it comes to this type of stuff. If it's for aesthetic reasons, artistic reasons, fashion reasons, hey, go right ahead, because it's a creative initiative and a creative intent behind it. But for other than that, do not, you know what I'm saying, give your heart and soul for a fucking pair of shoes. Check our gaming channel out as well, Complex Vision Gaming. But until next time, sound. Hold up, wait a minute. Should I do it? Fuck it. I did it!